We straight up on that storage shit. We straight up on money hoarding. You understand what I'm saying? We get into the money. With that said, I got two scenarios that will get you rich, keep you rich, and I'm talking about ASAP. Watch this video to the end. In the top, if you need to contact me for any reason, in the top of the description is my email and my Instagram. You can follow me. I got the same name on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. If you really want to make my day, follow me on each platform and like all my posts. I will return the love. If you want to contact me, that's how you contact me, by email, or you contact me by Instagram for business inquiries. Now, with that said, you might have to send me a few messages, because if you never followed me or messaged me before, it might go into spam. I might not see it the first time. So with that said, let's get into the video right now. First, let me start out by telling y'all about this book, Charlemagne the God, Shook Ones. Shook One, matter of fact, it's not plural, Shook One. This book, basically, you don't even have to read it, because if you watch this video to the end, like the video, subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification that you get all my uploads, because you don't want to miss this knowledge. With that said, Shook Ones. I read the whole book from front to back. This is one of the realest books. Now, I already was advanced past this book, but it helped me realize, how I can help other people. Now, I never been a shook one, but most people are shook ones. Now, let me explain to you what a shook one is. Somebody that's great at rapping, or they're great at science, or they're great at helping people, or they got a very smart mind, but they working at McDonald's, they're working at Walmart. They're not using their potential because they just shook to go out and live their life. You get what I'm saying? Now, don't get too excited, because it's a flip side. It's a pro to con to everything. Now, what this book is telling you is, go find what you best at, or use what you best at, and stop being shook. Stop being a little pussy. Stop being scared. Go after what you want in life. Run after what you want in life. Now, here go the damn con of it. A lot of people is opposite. They want to be rappers. They want to be entrepreneurs, but they suck at it. So stop playing and find what you good at. It's so many scientists trying to rap, and they only get 400 views per song. It's so many freaking philanthropists. They really could be doing great things for the world, but instead they're at Walmart. I actually know a guy that got his doctrines to be a doctor, but he work at Walmart, not even the pharmacy. He stocked the shelves, and he been doing it for 20 years. That's when you kind of gave up on your goals and your dream type shit. So this book tells you, this is not for you, bruh. This is not for you, sis. This is not for you. Try something else. Like, people put all their eggs in one basket and know damn well that ain't their basket. That basket is nowhere near you. You hate associating with people, but you in customer service. You hate working with your hands, but you in construction and mechanic work. You're making yourself miserable. This book is just to tell y'all, quit being shook. Use what you got to get what you want. Now, I don't even mean that in a sexual way, but you can take that as a sexual way. Do you know how many women that stop working a 9 to 5 that's not shameful to show their body, that now have the OnlyFans and successfully rich now? Like, they wasn't shook. Stop being shook to live your truth. Now, it's nothing else I can say about that. Now, y'all can order this book off of Amazon, anywhere. Matter of fact, I done read it. If one of y'all wanted it in the comment section, I send it to y'all in the morning. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all just tell me y'all want it. Shoot me your address. You can contact me. At the top of the description. Speaking of that, before I get into the most important, so y'all don't click off the video, your money or your life. Oh man, Jesus Lord. Y'all better stay tuned to the end of this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Like the video to help the algorithm. With that said, We got to take a little commercial break just to tell y'all this. Only if you want a starter kit, I offer a starter kit for $500. It's well worth it. What comes with the starter kit? It gets you up to 3 to 5K. The minimum, 5K. 5K. But I say 3 to 5K because one person fucked up a little bit and they got 3K. That's why I say that. I like to be real. You know how everybody say, oh, I can fix your credit in 3 days. That's a lie. It takes 30 to 45 days. I'm not going to give y'all no bullshit. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want 3 to 5,000, guaranteed for sure. I don't care if you got bad credit or not. I got that part. I don't give a fuck if you got an ID or not. If you want $3,000 to $5,000 within 7 days, and you want an SBA loan, whether you have an LLC, an EIN number, DUNS number or not, you get up to 25K if you want the loan. That's optional, that you don't have to pay back. Not only that, think about that, you guys. That alone is $30,000. On top of that, what you get for this whole package plan, I repair your credit for you. You can't beat it. Then I send you the sauce on how you can go out and make extra money as you're waiting on me to do this. Now, you're going to have 5 racks within 7 days. So that's a $4,500 profit. And while you sitting there flipping that money with all the other sauce that I gave you, your credit is being repaired. And also, I'm giving you an SBA loan. Why wouldn't you take it if you don't have to pay it back? I can make it shake for $500. Now, here's the thing. Here's the instructions, and we're going to get back to the video. Do not contact me unless you're ready to send the $500. All this need to look like is this. In the description, up there in the description, is my email or my Instagram. Follow me first. Send me an email or send me, send me a message on Instagram. Remember, this is your first time hitting me up, so it may go in the spam section. You might want to do it once or twice. I will look in the spam section. I will get to it as soon as I can. As soon as you do it, approach me and say, I need a $500 plan. I'm going to ask you Apple Pay or Cash App. After that, you send me proof of screenshot and your life have changed. With credit, good credit, excellent credit, and racks, 5,000, all the way to damn 30,000 you gonna get out this package. That's a hell of a starting kit. You got great credit and you're sitting on $30,000. If that interests you, then first in the description, you contact me. I don't do all that talking. What do you get? What do you get? I done told y'all. I'll tell you one more time. You get a $25,000 SBA loan that you don't have to pay back, and you don't have to need anything but to send a $500 screenshot proof. I got you. It's legitimate. I got you. And if you want your credit repaired, that come with it. Also, you will have about $5,000 in your account within 7 days if you're interested in it. And it comes with a whole sheet that show you how to get money, all glitches. You can just get money. A 10-year-old can do it. So if you're interested in that, first in the description, it remain anonymous. I don't know you, you don't know me. It's my email and my Instagram. Send me a message a few times. Say I'm trying to cop the $500 plan because I want my life, because it's either money or your life. And you say, I really need the game. That's what it come with. Be ready to Apple Pay or be ready to Cash App. And then I got you. Immediately I send you over an email. Then I need some general information from you to go ahead and get stuff started. And your life have changed. So the best investment is in yourself. Now, I thank y'all for listening to that whole commercial break. I'm just trying to get y'all some money. I'm already hood rich. I ain't wealthy yet. I'm trying to get to the billions. With that said, let's get back into the video. All right. Your money or your life, the second most important thing. Now, y'all can get this book. If y'all hit me up in the description and y'all spend enough money, or y'all comment a lot, or you tell me you want the book, I'll send this book to y'all. It's your money or your life. You get out of debt and develop saving. Resolve inner conflicts between you, values, and lifestyles. Reorder material priorities and live well for less. Live well for less. Y'all remember that. Slow down the work and spin the treadmill. Meaning, work smarter, not harder. Make values-based decisions about your spending. Discover the power and perfection of enoughness. Y'all, this book is very powerful. And you do know enough. Let's get it. This book is very powerful, you guys. This book basically telling you, save your money for you can save yourself one day. How important money is. Like, it just tells you the origin of money. Like, how could you possibly be the best boxer if you haven't known who the first boxer was? Who was the first person that had a boxing ring? Who was the first person that wore gloves? Why did they make gloves? Why are some gloves heavier? How do they make their weight classes? The more you know about something, the more you're gonna get out of it. So the more you know about money, the more you're gonna get out of it. And that's basically what this book is telling you. And also what I love, that it's telling you how to work way smarter than harder. And I'm gonna give you a little game right quick before I end this video. And it just tell you how to not live above your means. A very important video that'll help you get money. Now, with that said, I'm gonna end the video like this and say this. This book remind me of a very smart real estate agent I knew that actually worked on the side for Microsoft, and she do work for Apple, and she stopped hackers. Like, y'all, you got to watch who you fuck with. I'm talking about you got to have the right people in your circle. So what Microsoft and Apple do is take a certain percentage out of her check that she don't even notice every month, and they invest it to stock bundles. And stock bundles is everything that wins. So she never seen a month, and she been working here 6 years, that they don't take like $400 or $500 out of check, and then on her other check she got an extra $2,000 to $3,000. This girl is bringing in literally about $120 something thousand a year. Now, to understand this, y'all, and she love what she do. She even work and stop hackers and shit when she ain't even getting paid for it. She love what she do. That's why it tells you, like shook ones, find what's good for you. This girl love to be at work. This girl will have sex and still be doing her job at work online. She love to stop hackers. She hate that shit. You got to find out what you love. She love to stop what she hate. And she love to stop hacking. Like, she get excited talking about it. She's like, I know I'm a geek. I'm like, nah, that's attractive. But this ain't no dating video. Let me go ahead and say what I was saying. Like, this just show you how you just don't know and don't have the knowledge. If you take a man and give him $1 million and he has no financial knowledge, a fool and his money will depart. But if you take a broke man that have a lot of knowledge and he can't be broke, that rich man with all that knowledge, he know what to do and how to do it, and he'll be back rich in no time, because it's about knowledge. Money is knowledge. The more you know about whatever you pursuing, the more you will get out of it. So if you want more money, learn more about money, and this book will tell you about money. Do y'all even know why money was invented? Y'all have to ask yourself that question. Now, y'all like, y'all subscribe, and if you're interested in changing your life with the $500 plan, I already told y'all, my email and my Instagram is first in the description. That's it. All you do is contact me, tell me you want the plan. I say Apple Pay or Cash App. Soon as you send it, your life change. I can't make this shit up. But with that said, remember, these 2 books, if you want them, I'm sending them off to 2 subscribers. Just let me know you want them. Y'all know how to contact me. I'll holler. Y'all have a blessed day. Gang.